Welcome to Technology Zone, your go-to channel for the latest updates on cars, technology, and innovation. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into the details of the 2025 Volvo XC60, a luxury SUV that blends Scandinavian elegance with cutting-edge technology. Volvo has always been known for its commitment to safety, comfort, and performance, and the latest XC60 is no exception. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 XC60 maintains its signature sleek and modern design. The front grille has been slightly updated with a more refined look, while the signature Thor's hammer LED headlights now feature advanced pixel technology for better visibility. The aerodynamic shape enhances fuel efficiency and adds a sporty appeal to this premium SUV. Moving to the interior, Volvo has once again focused on delivering a luxurious and comfortable cabin. The high-quality materials, including sustainable leather and wood accents, create a premium feel. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum comfort, with ventilation and massage functions available in higher trims. The panoramic sunroof gives the cabin an airy and spacious feel, perfect for long drives. One of the standout features of the 2025 XC60 is its advanced infotainment system. It runs on a Google-powered interface, ensuring seamless connectivity with Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store apps. The large touchscreen display offers an intuitive user experience, while the digital driver's display provides real-time driving information. The integration of a high-quality Bowers and Wilkins sound system enhances the audio experience, making every drive enjoyable. When it comes to performance, the 2025 XC60 offers multiple powertrain options, including mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. The mild hybrid system improves fuel efficiency while delivering smooth acceleration. The plug-in hybrid variant, known as the Recharge model, combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor to offer impressive power and lower emissions. With an all-electric range suitable for daily commutes, it provides an eco-friendly alternative without compromising performance. Safety has always been Volvo's priority, and the 2025 XC60 is packed with advanced safety features. The latest version of Volvo's Pilot Assist offers improved semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making highway driving safer and more comfortable. The new intersection collision avoidance system adds another layer of protection by detecting potential collisions at junctions and automatically applying the brakes if necessary. Other features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Driving dynamics have also been enhanced with an upgraded suspension system that provides a smooth and stable ride. Whether driving in the city or on rough terrains, the XC60 adapts to different road conditions effortlessly. The all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction, making it a great choice for various weather conditions. Overall, the 2025 Volvo XC60 is a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and sustainability. It caters to those who seek a premium driving experience with top-notch safety and modern features. Whether you are looking for a stylish daily driver or a family SUV with advanced technology, the XC60 stands out as an excellent choice. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Zone for more automotive content. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and we'll see you in the next video.